Hello, wonderful friends! Good morning, and welcome here sa ating munting kusina. Welcome here at Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creations. I am so happy that my husband bought me this delicious, ripe, and sweet cooking bananas, and these are what we call plantain bananas. So what I did, I sliced it into half. There you go. So the skin are quite dark, but the inside portion is perfect. So there you go. And this is the equivalency of the saging saba in the Philippines. Sorry, it's noisy here because my husband is watching TV. There you go. Okay. So there you go. Then we are going to put this into microwave. So I set that timer good for 8 minutes, good for 2 large cooking bananas plantain. So once 8 minutes it's done, I'll have to cancel this and let's check. There you go. Nag-aso-aso pa, friends. So delicious talaga and super sweet. So I'm going to give this to my husband. So I have here my butter, unsalted butter. And so I put it there. So this is the one. And then I'm going to add nido or dry whole milk. You can use beer brand and whatever powdered milk. But you know what? This is very, very optional. You don't really need to add milk on your banana. You can eat it as it is. There you go, friends. Mainit pa talaga siya, no? There you go. You can either fry this, boil, or this can be microwavable. Okay, there you go, friends. And I have here my milk. This can be very optional, friends, you know. This is super delicious. I hope you have fun watching me here as I always try to post and cook and bake for my family and friends. Thank you. This is your home cook buddy Laarni saying you daghan kaayong salamat. And just do like that. See that one? Reproducing at the stage show to audiences who